Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of problem. Looks like you are not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. So to fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen and you have to open Google Chrome in your phone or any browser. So like I am opening Google Chrome here, and you have to type TikTok sign up. And here is the first option, sign up TikTok. And here you have to choose use phone or email. And here you have to set your birthday. Let me tell you that set birthday and your age must be above than 16 years. And you have to tap on next. And here you have to give your phone number. And you have to tap on send code, and a code will be sent to your phone number, and your account has been created on TikTok. And from here you have to exit and then open TikTok, then tap on profile and tap on sign up, and then tap on login. And here you have to tap on use phone, email or username. And here you can see it's not asking for date of birth, so simply you have to type your phone number, which is given in on browser. So you have to give your phone number here, so just simply tap on send code. Code will be sent to your mobile phone and you will be logging into TikTok app. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.